number 1678 goal parser interpretation. Okay, first of all we have to read carefully this problem, and then we will solve it. So problem is, you own a goal parser that can interpret a string command. Okay, the command consists of an alphabet of G, and after G and a parameter, and or in parameter AL in some order. The goal parser will interpret G as the string G. Okay, and this parameter as the string O. Okay, and in parameter AL is written as the string AL. Okay, the interpreted strings are the concatenated in the original order. Okay, so given the string command, here is command string, and return the goal parser interpretation of command. Okay, it means here question tells us that we have given a command string. In command string consists alphabet G and parameter, and in parameter AL. So question tells us that we have find output G string. Output will be G, means capital G will be capital G, and output of parameter will be O. Okay, and output of in parameter AL will be AL only. So we have to find the solution of this problem. So first of all, our approach will be, we have to find what we can apply approach here. So we think first of all here we have to apply, and we have to find string. Okay, after input we have to output string. So first of all we have declare a string, suppose string ans we have to declare. Okay, after that we have run a for loop int I is equal to 0 and I less than command dot size I plus plus for int I is equal to 0, I less than command dot size I plus plus, and after that we have to, after run this loop we have to think 1 second. mm, we have to write a logic. If command I is equal to G, capital G, then we have to push ans that dot back push back G, capital G. Okay, and after that, in next, if command I command I equal to command I equal to string open small bracket open small parameter and command I equal to small and sorry and command I plus 1 I plus 1 equal to a and command I plus 2 equal to L. Okay, and command I plus 3 equal to close parameter. So if this logic will be must if this logic will be found and matched, so after that ans dot sorry not ans dot we have to push ans plus equal to mm, uh, we have to push ans plus equal to string al done this from this type because on dot push back it will be take string single character single character because string is a collection of character, so this will be and after that we have a logic for and we have a logic for sorry friends, 1 second. Okay, al and we have left a logic here. We have one logic also will be declare of o. Okay, so right here if command I equal to open parameter and command I plus 1 is equal to close parameter. So then after that ans dot push back will be character O. Okay, this will be logic for this, and after all that we have to return ans. Okay, we have to return ans, so all is settled and right, so we have to run this solution. And okay, this is all right, no mistakes. So thank you guys, we have completed lead code problem numbers 1678